Hello builders! Here's the steam power cactus. And hey, it's me, the cactus. I'm so sorry for not posting anything the last month. I had planned some ideas like making new briquettes design about me, briquettes of my characters, or something about me because the last month was my birthday. But life had planned something different. The university has consumed all my time, but I wanted to make a new video. I'm sorry again. For that, I decided to show one of my newest steampunk mocs. So let's talk about it. In a steampunk, there are a lot of crazy machines and crazy vehicles. And when I was younger, I had just discovered steampunk. I found an image so close like this. It's a combination of a train and a war tank. And I really wanted to make something similar. And finally, I got all the necessary pieces to make it. Before showing it, I wanted to make an honorable mention to Owen Mescher and British bricks, because I studied and learned much about building trains because it was something new for me. Thank you so much. So, here is it. It's a bit small and simple, but it was so difficult to build it. For first, the color, because at the start I wanted to make it brown or black, but I couldn't find pieces in that colors to match the design that I wanted. For that, I made it in this light nude color, but I think it looks so good. To make the locomotive inspired me on this type of trains, the Irish steam tram, because they are small and square, perfect to the idea that I had. So let's talk more about how I built it. I used some plates to make the base floor, and then just start building, making a cabin and the body itself. For the cabin, I made sure that two minifigures can be able to stay at the same time, because someone needs to control the engine and the other the cannons. Yeah, because it's a dystopian war, in a war, blah 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 blah. So for the cabin, I just used bricks to make a back wall, including two window pieces, and this technique brick to attach this piece to make a lamp. And inside, I made this wall with all the controls, including a fireplace, boiler, or chimney. I don't know what's the name of this, where you put the coal. Also, I used curved pieces for more detail, 3 levers, and more decorations. Then I put these pieces and tiles at the top to connect these plates with curved pieces and minifigure stand pieces to add a roof. And for the body, well, I used these rounded bricks to make it. I'm sorry if I don't know what I'm saying. I mean, I like trains, but I don't know the names of all their parts. And here are these trans yellow pieces to represent the fire, and on the top of that I make a whistle, only using studs and a round tile. For the sides, I just use bricks, triangular bricks and modified bricks to add a plate with decorations, and on top of that more details. And for the front, the black thing, I use the same technique that Owen Mescher used one time. Basically using these modified bricks to attach 2x3 plates with triangular pieces and jumpers to add this Nixel arm piece. For more details. Also add this piece, and on the top one jumper to connect the chimney that is made with these pieces. Connect to this cylinder that is connected to this Technic piece. All are connected with jumpers and tiles for the rest of the chassis. Now at the bottom of the engine I put some pieces to add details, and on the sides these pieces to add details, but also to connect these cannons and these ladders that also act like extra defense. And on the back I added these pieces for the back bumper. And on the front I used this bracket to add these pieces to the frontal bumper with these pieces too. And finally I added these pieces to connect the tank tracks. Now let's talk quickly about the custom minifigures that I made. Here is Lawrence. He never liked the idea of studying engineering, but now thanks to that, he and his brother could be able to build this thing to find his brother. I just used the torso of a minifigure of Lego Ninjago movie, these Star Wars legs, and the bow and face of Aaron of Nexonites. Also this helmet. And he's Mr. Carlton. He's the father of Lawrence and just wants to find his other son. To him I used this beret, the face of a minifigure series, a Star Wars torso, and I don't know where these legs came from, but I think it looks perfect to him. Well, that's all. Now let's see the sweet cool shots. Thank you very much everyone, especially for the support of the last video that motivates me to bring you more steampunk videos. Thanks for watching this video, and sorry for taking so long to upload new videos. Thank you again. See you next time, and always remember to smile.